how to show what you are playing on Discord. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can show what you are playing on Discord, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to show what you're playing on Discord, all you have to do is open the Discord application here and then tap the profile icon to just come to the profile page. Then go to privacy and safety, and once you go to privacy and safety, you want to simply scroll down a bit further below and you'll find this option here known as activity status. So you want to make sure to turn on this toggle that says display current activity as a status message. So when you turn this thing on, whatever game you're playing, Discord will automatically actually update it in your status. If that game is recognized by Discord, then it will let it know that you're playing it. But for some reason, let's say that it doesn't recognize, then what you can also do is tap on set status option here. Tap on set a custom status, and then just let's say you're playing or maybe listening to Spotify, you can type in listening to this particular song on Spotify over here as well. So this way you should be able to actually let Discord show what you're doing. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.